Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up HonorPad X8. So this should be your screen when you first turn on your device, and here you have to choose your language. I will choose English and then click Get Started. Now you have to choose your region, and I will just keep United Kingdom and then click Next. Now you have to accept software license agreement and then click Next. Now you can connect to your Wi-Fi network, or you can click Skip. Now you have to set up date and time, and then when you choose correct date and time, you can click Next. Now you have to accept Google's term of services. And now you couldn't connect to your network because I chose to skip network connection, but you can click skip for now. And now you have to your data privacy settings. Now click next. And here you can set up your password or face recognition on this device. I won't do this now. I will just click skip. And now it recommends you to set a password because that's the more secure way of using this device, but I will still choose skip. Now you can enable Magic UI services, or you can just click no thanks. And now you can sign in to your user experience improving program, or you can click later. Now you can enable or disable location services. I will just click later because I don't want them. And now there is an information that you should keep your software up to date. So just click enable and continue. And now this device will teach you how to use gestures. So just click try the gestures. Now you have to do the left swipe. Now you have to do right swipe. And now you have to do bottom swipe. Now do bottom swipe and hold. And now you can click finish. And your device is set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.